What initial information should you gather from the homeowner about the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning issue? Start by asking whether air is blowing from the vents and whether it feels warm, cool, or only ambient. Then confirm when the filter was last changed and whether it appears clean or clogged. Ask whether any supply or return vents have been closed or blocked, and advise the homeowner to check and open them if needed while you are on the call. Inquire if the outdoor unit is running and whether the outdoor fan is spinning or making unusual noises, and request that the homeowner safely observe from a distance and report any visible issues like iced coils or refrigerant pooling. Document specific symptoms such as intermittent operation, constant cycling, reduced airflow, strange odors, or water leakage, and note exact times when problems occur, because patterns often reveal control or thermostat issues. Ask about recent work or changes in the home, such as duct modifications, new appliances, or power outages that could correlate with the failure. Finally, confirm the make, model, and approximate age of the system if known, and whether there is manufacturer warranty or recent service history, so we can prioritize likely component failures. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat is set correctly without verifying the mode and set point. Tell the homeowner to set the thermostat to cooling or heating mode and raise or lower the set point 5 degrees to confirm the system responds. Another frequent issue is a dirty or clogged filter restricting airflow. Instruct them to remove the filter, visually inspect it, and replace it if it looks gray or clogged, and make a note of the filter size for replacement. A third common problem is closed or obstructed vents, which reduce airflow and create pressure imbalances. Ask the homeowner to walk the house and open all supply and return vents, and to remove obvious obstructions such as furniture, drapes, or rugs placed over vents. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and local contractors around projects like heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, troubleshooting, and repairs. And we help contractors find work by listing jobs and homeowner requests. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange experiences, ask follow-up questions, and share practical tips so everyone can make better decisions.